Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Star pattern programs are a popular way to improve your programming skills and gain a better understanding of loops and control structures in Python. In this tutorial, we will cover the basics of creating star patterns using nested loops and provide code examples for various common patterns. Before we begin, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download and install Python from the official website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Star patterns are sequences of asterisk characters arranged in specific shapes or designs. These patterns are created using loops to control the number of stars printed in each row and column. Common star patterns include: to create a star pattern program in Python, you'll typically use nested loops. The outer loop controls the rows, while the inner loop controls the columns. Here's a basic structure for a star pattern program. In this structure. Now, let's explore some common star patterns with examples. Example input, 5. Output. Example input, 4. Output. Example input, rows equals 5, columns equals 6. Output. You've now learned how to create various star patterns in Python using nested loops. Experiment with different patterns, and modify the code to create your custom designs. This tutorial should help you develop a strong understanding of loop structures and how they can be used to solve different programming problems. Happy coding! ChatGPT